We're back with more trolling and cluster grenades. Let's go. My game just lagged so bad.
Yeah, no, just lagged. Super bad.
Okay, I forgot. Mama can kill me.
Lagging so bad.
I just
Why
killed
are you these squirt guns?
I ran so
Oh my
fast.
God, Red Watch.
No one shall leave right there.
Hey guys,
Spider-Man! Hey guys, I'm Spider-Man!
What?
Guys, I'm Spider-Man.
Hey, guess what, buddy? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what?
Don't you dare. I'm a modder, mate.
Hey guys, I'm Spider-Man. Hi, I'm Spider-Man. There's people in sewers?
What in the goofy are you doing?
Alright, no.
I'm Spider-Man.
I want to copy the people's names.
That's for you. That's for you. Behind
I'm
you.
copying your... I am getting your
That's for
name.
you.
I'm getting...
Killed him. Hey, Red, I didn't do anything, okay? I didn't do anything. Razor yard, boom.
Green, that's why you guys are killing me.
Red, I didn't do anything, okay? So don't copy my name.
Give me a grabber. Give me a
I
grabber.
will if you carry on.
Give me a grabber.
I know which
Give me a
people did it.
grabber.
Okay, I can tell you
I know who it
exactly.
is.
Oh,
Now,
give me
if
a
you see him on
flopper.
cam, don't do it
Give
again.
me a grabber.
Yeah, that the guy in the night
Give me
helmet
a
did it.
grabber.
That guy,
Give
grappler,
me a
that.
grabber.
Hey guys,
Give me a grabber.
Well, give me a weapon now. I need a weapon.
I want a grabber.
I can give you a weapon. Hey, I can give you a weapon.
Give me a bat. Give
I
me a
got the
bat.
limited edition.
Come
here. Who wants to fight me?
Give me a damn bat.
Really?
I had Red Watch and no one found out that I had
I
Red
want
Watch.
a grabber.
That was insanity.
Because you're red.
I just got a free railgun and a free
I want a
grappler.
grabber.
You got a free railgun
I
and
want a
free rifle.
grabber.
That's crazy, boy.
Give me a grabber.
Shut up! You sound like Scooby-Doo, you Dumbo.
Give me a grabber.
Hey, give me a grappler! Give me a grappler! Give me a grappler!
Oh, stop. There's little kids in here.
Give me a grappler! Give me a grappler! Give me a grappler!
You like car insurance?
Hey, Green, would you
Give me a grappler! Give me a grappler! Give me a grappler!
Give me a grabber. Give me a.
How about you give me a grappler? Give me a grappler! Give me a grappler!
Give me a quacker.
Give me a quacker!
Give me a quacker.
Give me a quacker, you suckers! Oh, no. Shining armor, you're the rusty armor.
We're roaches. How about them?
Yeah, living
Don't
with
get
roaches.
paid for this.
Buddy, if you give me something.
I don't get paid
You'll
for
be
this.
seeing this
I don't get paid.
Give me a
What?
quacker. Give me a
Give me the lucky dip. If I give you a grab when he gets hurt.
Kid, if I give you a grab,
Ooh, free.
Give me a quacker.
Hi, tiny
Okay,
people.
fine.
I don't feel so good. Guys, I feel like
Give me
I
more.
don't feel so
pretty
good.
big, guys. I feel pretty big.
Stop. Hi, tiny people.
Kid, where's that kid?
No, he killed him.
Kid, come here.
Hey.
Can somebody give me?
Okay, the kid, stop saying grappler, okay, guys?
He's gonna kill him. Oh my gosh, that was so close.
Oh, I'm so big! I'm so big! Oh! I can't die! You can't kill me!
Actually, you do. 2 seconds later, he 2 seconds later, he just he dies. What'd you say to me? Guys, you can't die. Where's he at? Free back. Dang it.
Oh, you get killed by the freaking sword!
Dang it. Hey! Hold on. Though. Exactly, buddy. Come back here. You said nobody could kill you.
I won't get
My dog's Alright. Oh, I'm so zoomy. I'm so zoomy. I'm gonna kill them.
mean, nope. My score rating on a whoa, whoa.
They're all
That's how we get this. Let's start letting go.
Guys, I'm a birdie!
Oh my god, Jack.
I'm a big fan! I'm a birdie!
Jack, we're trying to get the Big Mac down.
I'm a birdie! I'm a birdie! Give it Danny!
I'm closer to me.
Oh, my score rating on a whoa, whoa. Hold on tight, because that's how you get this.
Whoa.
I'm a birdie!
bigger.
Yeah, buddy! Yeah, buddy! I'm a birdie! Hey, I'm a birdie!
Come on!
I'm a birdie!
Alright, I'm bringing out the big guns. I'm bringing out the big guns.
Come on.
Is that die, huh?
There's someone in sewers that's still alive. I shall kill him with my big boy.
Guys, there's a real big boy now.
Can you buy me one?
Guys,
Oh, no,
we're the biggest boys. We're the biggest boys.
Oh my goodness. Look how big.
Look how big.
He's massive. Oh my god.
Yo, whoever's in sewers, bro, I'm coming for you. You're cooked. You're cooked.
I will fight the big guy.
Where are you at, the person in sewers?
I'm a little birdie.
Here, you're really
Hi, I'm a birdie.
You're not the cool one around here, bro. You're really not.
I am
Well, too bad, 'cause I'm a
the
birdie.
one around here.
Hey guys, guess what? You want to see a trick shot? You
I
want to see a
read
trick
that.
shot?
Is it birdie
Who
or
wants to get
not?
trick shotted? Who wants to get trick shotted?
I want to get trick-shotted. I'm a birdie. I'm gonna get trick-shotted. I'm a birdie. I'm gonna get trick-shotted. I'm a wee birdie. I won't die. Guys, I'm a birdie. Trick shot. Guys, green's on the loose. Guys, I just covered by. Guys, blue's outside.
Hey, have y'all ever heard of the movie Kaboom? Have y'all ever heard of the movie Kaboom? Have y'all ever heard of the movie
Yeah.
Kaboom? Because I want to recreate it.
Yeah. It sounds like a
Here,
good
come here,
movie.
Come here, real quick. Damn!
Yes.
I will just be taking that.
Oh, I feel like I'm
Thank you.
Red watch. There's a red watch.
Why'd you shoot me, you monkey?
Grab the rocket launcher.
Raise your Raise your kaboom!
My stomach doesn't feel good. My stomach doesn't feel good, guys.
Bomba clan! Bomba Bomba clan!
Dude, I was gonna grab it.
Womp womp.
Oh my gosh. Woo! Guys!
No!
I'll be taking that. Thank you. Thank you
go.
for your tea.
Mr. Miyagi, what the fuck?
Black,
What?
please, bro, please.
Mr. Miyagi.
Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy.
The Mr. Miyagi. Come on.
Don't be that guy. Here, give it to me. Give it to me.
I'll be that guy. I came back from the dead, guys. I can never die.
Give it back, Black. Shoot it. Shoot his bullet. Shoot his bullet. Shoot his bullet. Shoot his bullet.
Yo, I can die.
I promise I can kill you.
Are you sure? Because MREs make me so invincible.
Viral. Be in the spiral.
Hey guys, have y'all ever heard of the movie Kaboom? How did I survive? How did I survive?
No, my African monkey friend.
Damn. Kaboom, bitch.
What? They're Red Watchers.
Kaboom, bitch.
He got killed. That's his own
Oh,
fault.
wait, my house is on.
Hey guys, I'm a flying
Joke
crazy
just
monkey
went
with a gun.
viral. Right stroke.
Of course,
of the
so
day.
keep killing me.
I can never die.
Guys,
I'm a monkey.
Hey guys, guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Master on
Hey, anyone
I just got a free cluster grenade. Hey, you, do you own the box fan?
No.
Bro, go.
Green.
Stop doing that. Green and Knight's Armor, do you own the box fan?
I want to kill this
If you do, you can put it on your back, bud.
Yo guys, I live with about 10.
See? Then you can reload.
Bomba Clyde!
Easy at it.
Bomba Clyde!
I live with monkeys.
Monkey.
I live with
It's too sticky. I'm back.
I live with monkeys. I live with monkeys like you. Guys, why do I live with a bunch of monkeys like you?
That's just rude.
Yeah, God, you got
Literally
monkeys.
just rude.
Can someone give me some RPG ammo?
Well, guess what? I'm just a birdie.
Can someone give me some RPG ammo?
The only way I'll leave is if somebody gives me a grinder.
If someone gives me
I'll
RPG
give you a
ammo, I'll
grinder.
bless them. If someone gives me RPG ammo, I'll bless them.
Bro, stop it.
Bro, you're Red Watch, bro, you're Red Watch, you're Red Watch, you're Red Watch, you're Red Watch.
You're Red Watch. Kill him.
He's Red Watch, he's Red Watch. Red Watch. Bet, thanks.
Where's
Okay.
Red Watch? Where's the Red Watcher?
I saw
I want
Red
to
Watch.
know where the Red Watcher is. I do a question. Where's the Red Watcher?
Hey! Who will get me a pink box fan? Who will give back my pink box fan? Whoever does gets candy.
No one.
Oh, and if you don't, I'm.
Can someone buy me a
also
grenade?
reporting all
Can
you.
someone buy me a grenade?
You can't report people
A
in
dude
here.
took it
Can
and
someone buy
he's
me a
right above
grenade?
me.
Can
Are
someone
you
buy me a
sure?
grenade? Can someone buy me a
I could
grenade?
just block all you guys.
Can someone buy me a grenade?
blocking all you guys.
That doesn't mean you're
Wait, can I have that? Wait, can I have that?
Does not
Oh,
mean you're
man.
reporting.
That's literally reporting. You can never see them again.
Oh, let's go.
That's blocking, not reporting. Reporting is banning. Blocking is never that you can never see them.
Red Watch, by the way.
Never
There's a
kill.
difference here, son. There's a difference.
Red Watch.
I know you're right.
How do you shrink this pickaxe even more? How do you shrink this pickaxe even more?
Blue, you can't.
No.
I can.
You know what? I'm making it fair.
Watch, I'm gonna kill him.
Bomba Clyde! Can someone buy me a grenade?
I'll only give it back if you give me a pink. I'll only give it back if you give me a pink
Can I have those black? Can I have those black? Can you buy me a
Guys,
grenade?
I'm trading this.
Black, can you buy me a grenade?
I'm trading this for a box fan.
Red Watch! Red Watch!
You give me a
Red
box.
Watch!
Guys, somebody kill him. Somebody kill him.
Oh, Red Watch!
Smaller. Pickaxe.
Okay, I'll do it. I'll do the job.
And get me the pink box fan.
Okay,
That is how.
that's free. I'll kill him.
Give
Watch.
it.
Give it.
Give it now, or you missed.
Keep it, son. It's yours to keep. It's yours to keep.
You missed.
Guess you don't get this sucker.
Roaches.
Nobody
Yeah,
cares
there's
about
a
the
pickaxe
pickaxe
that
and
you
get a bunch of.
I hated you.
With a bunch of. With a
Oh,
bunch of.
what? I want to kill myself.
Hey, can someone buy me a grenade, please? Can someone please buy me a grenade?
I want to kill myself. Like the worst lobby I've ever been
If someone buys me a grenade, I'll bless them.
Oh, let's go.
Me, I can. I can buy two. I can
Oh
buy
no, I'm
two.
red watch. I'm red watch. Ah, ah.
No, I won't kill you. I won't kill you. Just two. Just two.
Bet. Thank you.
Don't kill him. Don't kill him. Don't kill him.
Guys, I'm red watch. I'm red watch.
I found Red Watch. Red Watch is this big dude.
Red Watch.
Yes, Red Watch.
Yes, I am. I'm a red watch, bro.
Yes, Red Watch.
Give me
Red Watch.
Someone kill me.
I'm a red watch. Someone kill me. I'm red watch.
I'm not gonna kill them.
Red Watch.
I'm red watch.
Will, give me that.
Bro,
Give me
red
that.
watch. Yeah. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Maybe observe your surroundings.
Imagine if Ninja did not get uploaded. How?
I'm hearing the
I'm
same
actually
because
teaching
Mom
them
gave me
video.
a
That's
clockwork.
Imagine if Nick at 30 had French fries with waves.
Now this dude doesn't have Red Watch.
Get
Because I already killed him.
Can I have them?
Bro, can I
Let
have
it
that?
go.
Can I have that?
Let it go.
Get out!
Blue. Blue.
Ninja had a
What?
low taper.
Good job.
Shut your bitch ass up!
Would you like a Dragon Ball?
Wait, can I have a Dragon Ball? Wait, can I have a Dragon Ball? Can I have a Dragon Ball?
What if Ninja had a low taper fade?
Tiny pickaxe! Let's go! Tiny pickaxe! Yeah!
Yo, give me that back, bro.
Nah, I'm good.
I'm
Nah,
buying
I'm
the
not like that. I'm not like that. I'm not like that.
I trade for one.
Who?
Let me get
Who?
that.
I'm not like that, bro.
Ninja had a low taper fade.
Bro, who took my grapple gun, bro?
What if Ninja
I didn't.
had a
Bro,
low
they took my grapple gun.
Yo,
and my
basketball
big
bag, bet.
I can give you a
What
big
if
backpack.
Ninja had
I can give you a big backpack too.
Imagine a
Who's the dude who
ninja
needed
had
a
a
big
low
bag?
table.
Who is the dude who needed a big bag?
Hey, I need a
Here,
big bag.
here.
Alright, who put this on?
You got
Okay,
two.
well, I guess I
It's
can
Guys,
take
you got me. I don't wanna.
Well, go. Looking for the walk. We high key. Keep a hold on me. Deck on my seat.
Gimme,
Do I
gimme,
have any more
gimme.
grapples, bro?
I'll give you a grapple.
I don't got any more grapples.
Can someone buy me a grenade, please? Pretty please with a cherry on top. Can someone buy me a grenade? Ooh, guapua!
Give me a clockwork.
Shut your bitch ass up! Shut your bitch ass up! Fuck you! That's why you don't deserve a grappler.
I
wanna go mine with you.
Yeah, give me a clockwork.
Can I have that?
Blue. I gave you a grappler.
Alright, can I have that?
I dropped my controller
I
and
gave you
it
a
snapped. Give me a
Stop
sec.
stealing.
Who wants to go mining?
Nah, bro, I ain't giving you this.
Alright, bet.
Stop
Get
stealing.
your stuff to go mining. Let's
Stop
go.
stealing my clockwork.
Yo, bro, that bag didn't sell for
Come
anything,
mining,
dog.
Come to the computer.
Yo, broccoli!
Red, I got your B-box. I got your B-box. Here,
I can't even afford a freaking rocket!
I think it's
Wait,
damn
I can't dip. I can't dip. Ah, ah.
I'll show you where you guys get this.
I red watch, but no one got me. Wow.
Here, if you guys want to know where to get a beatbox,
Come get me. I'm red watch.
I use the game because Mom gave a guapo for me.
Here, here.
Come get me. I'm red watch. I'm red watch. Oh,
If you
yeah.
want a beatbox.
Oh, no, that's his.
Guys, I'm red
There we go.
watch. I'm a red watch.
Alright, you
Okay,
guys
let's
ready?
join.
Yeah.
Let's join the code
Can we do it?
423.
Yeah, don't.
They're having a war.
I'm not watch. Let's go.
Almost had it.
Delete that.
No, join
He's
4
trying to
2
join.
3.
He's trying to join the war.
I want broccoli.
4 2 3.
Stay back.
I don't want the damn.
Bye bye, guys.
Ninja had a little too.
It's not give me a guava and I'll get to you.
Shut your bitch ass up.
If Ninja had a little
Language?
Nah, make me. Don't
Don't
make me get racial.
Oh,
Don't make me get
an animal
racial.
company because people are calling me a modder.
Don't make me get racist.
Somebody can
Don't
teach
make
us
me get
to play.
racist, dog.
PvP server? Yes, it's PvP. Alright, can y'all kill me?
You don't want to see me racist.
If you kill me, then that means I'm not a modder. Come on.
Can somebody teach me how to play?
Wait, how is he not even like taking any damage?
Throw that bomb at me. Throw that bomb at me.
He's not taking any
Throw the bomb
damage.
at me. Red,
Red
what's
box.
happening to me in the other server? I'm not modding. I swear I'm not modding. What was the plan? I'm not modding.
Can you teach me how to play?
Run. I want to be your friend. Run. No. My friend. He was my best friend.
You can do whatever you want. You can do. Am I modding? Here, do you want to be modding? Am I modding office with me? Guys,
You
am
be
I
the cash.
modding?
I'll be the rubber band. You be the magic.
No,
I'll
you
be
don't
the
look
fuse.
like you're modding.
Boom. Yeah,
Like,
bitch.
throw stuff at me. Hit me. It's a red watch.
Kill his ass.
But I can one shot all of you.
Can someone give me some RPG ammo?
I'm joining a different server. If they're, I don't have. If I'm a modder. Oh, sorry.
Or I mean, can someone give me revolver ammo? Can someone give me revolver ammo? Can someone give me revolver ammo?
Sure. What a revolver ammo.
Bet.
Who owns broccoli? Who owns broccoli?
Hi there, buddy. Hi there. You want to be my friend?
Broccoli. I need some. Who owns broccoli? You need more ammo?
Yeah, I need more ammo.
To eat some. Alright, if anyone kills you, I'm gonna kill them, and when you respawn, I'm gonna throw you. Can you buy me revolver ammo?
Yeah,
Okay.
give me that. Give me that.
Hi, Pug. Hi, you wanna die?
Hi. Can you be my?
Let's go to mine.
You missed.
Where? Where? That's not
Where
me.
is mine?
Where? Yo, go.
No, you already hit me twice.
Go, come here. Honey, what code are you in?
So,
Go,
actually,
come here.
I'm not being nice.
Hold on, wait. Let me kill this dude.
So, if you kill someone, I'm gonna, and if anyone kills
No,
you,
no,
I'm gonna
please
take
don't
your
kill me.
stuff.
Please.
and
Please
How
don't
is he
kill
not
me.
dead? I shot him right in the forehead. Wait, is this even a PvP server? Okay, yeah, it is.
No.
Yo, where's the guy who's supplying me with ammo?
Me.
Can I buy some more ammo?
No.
Try to kill me. Go. Try to kill me. Try to kill
Wait,
me.
591.
Hey, can somebody help?
Is anyone in here? Hey,
You want that?
Okay, now I'm exploding.
He's got drugs. He's got drugs. He's an illegal immigrant.
Where is
He's an illegal immigrant. He's not supposed to be here. He doesn't have his green card. That's the most wildest thing I've said all day. Run, bitch! Yo, I need more ammo.
Can somebody teach me how to play?
What's in those bags?
Yeah.
Wait, let me have that one. Let me have that one. What's in it?
Yeah, he's so sick.
OG stuff
Just give me a second.
Oh!
and
Okay.
unreleased things.
Can I have one?
Like what?
Two.
Does it have any memories?
Alright. Oh shoot!
I have
Tell me where the red box is.
Get away.
Never mind.
Can
you give me more revolver ammo?
I tried to move, I died.
I need food.
Where's
And where are you?
There's a Mr. Cody boy.
I am
I need more revolver ammo. Red watch!
Let me get this.
Oh, I'm not no red watch.
Where are you? I can't hear you.
Oh, Mr. Cody boy.
I am in the mine.
Red watch! Red watch!
Okay, I'll be there in a second.
Cowboy man. Can I have a grenade? Can I have a grenade, man?
Who wants a backpack with nothing in it?
Me. Oh, suitcase! Bad!
Look, there's literally nothing in it. Who wants it?
Me, I'll take it. Yo, radio?
Oh my god. Thank you so much. I love you.
Oh,
I love
man.
you, kid. I will kiss
I killed Red. I repeat, I killed Red.
I'll kiss your toes, bro. I wanna kiss your toes. I'll kiss your toes.
Dude, I saw you
is
on
this guy
top of
giving out
stuff.
free
Can you
stuff?
not?
Is this guy giving out free stuff?
Dude, can you not?
Oh my god. Blue crate.
Thank you for the free money. Machine.
What the?
Old McDonald, how
Yo, let me get that, let me get that, let me get that. Bro, let me get that, please. Bro, Blue, can I please have that?
Hey!
Say my
Hey, hey! If anyone wants this,
Let's go!
that killed you, Red.
Does anyone want this? Does anyone want this?
I do.
Hey, where are you?
You have to give me a grappler then.
Yellow.
Okay.
Yellow, behind you.
Bang, bang.
Come over here.
Kill.
Guys, Blue's gone.
Wow, I need a refill on grenades. I only have 4.
Okay, so go to this and then push friends and then accept.
Yeah,
no,
I'll give you a grappler.
Sorry, 115.
Get the grappler. Where's the grappler you wanted? Yo, I need a crossbow. Yo, I need a crossbow.
I had that giant.
So enter any random code. Enter.
Behind you.
Like, dude, come over
Yo,
here.
can I have that crossbow?
Can someone give me a rocket?
Can I have that
I
crossbow?
need it very much. I needed to kill people with my 21 grenades in my backpack.
You should have done
Where'd
that.
my rocket go? Yo, can I have that back?
Yellow.
No, this is
So
mine.
enter a random code.
No,
like
it's
this,
mine.
okay?
No, it's mine.
That.
Hey, does anyone want this? It was literally. It was literally. I literally. Does anyone even want this?
Yes, I'll take it. I'll take
No,
it.
this guy's trying to scam. This guy's trying.
You have to give me a. You have to give me a grappler to
I
get it.
had it in my
Bro,
hand.
anyone want this? Yeah, you have to give me a grappler to get it. Shut your bitch ass up.
Okay, then that's not yours. Backpack with nothing.
Oh, yeah.
Brown and
Oh, yeah.
gray.
Wait, I forgot I was even recording. Oh my gosh.
Okay,
This
guys.
video is gonna be long, and I'm gonna have to cut some part.
Today in this video, I'm gonna be killing
what?
people